Zayne says, he's lying there and he says, I hate it when you ignore me. And then he sits up. Talk to me. Do I? I'm not going to lie. You're not a very good listener. I'll listen to you all day. I want to see my family. You can't keep me forever, Zayne. Taking care of me. But they need me right now. I was actually very grateful. He always treated me well. But like I said, I still have my reasons for not wanting to be here. I think to oblige. You've got a reason for me to be here. I was supposed to hate her. She was so cute wearing my shirt, and I was supposed to hate her. Jokes. She wasn't needed. But I still wanted every ounce of her. To the point I'd do anything just to give her a reason to stay. Saying, yeah, I'm leaving for the wedding Tuesday. I'll let you go then. A wedding? He's still marrying her? Zayne, wait. You can't marry her? Why? I just don't want you to. I felt my stomach twist. I've been holding on to her. Right. Azzy? Mercedes is stealing money from you. I overheard her on the phone. You think I don't know that already? I know and see everything. This isn't my decision, Azzy.